Hi, my name is Sabiha and I'm a filmmaker. I'm raising funds for my new film Azmaish, Trials of Life on Wishberry. Two women, one journey. Kalki is from India, I am from Pakistan. Our two countries have been enemies from day one.
हमारा मानना है कि इस देश की संस्कृति जो है कल्चर वो हिंदू है।
पीर पगारा के हुक्म पे लबेक करके वो बच्चे भी अपने फेंक देंगे और चले जाएंगे।
My parents were from Mumbai and my father was an alumnus of Elphinstone College. I've lived in India for several years, from 1999 to 2008. My husband was invited as a foreign research scholar at JNU. He's a Tamilian from Sri Lanka. My older daughter went to school in New Delhi. She would tell everyone, my father is from Sri Lanka, my mother is from Pakistan, but I am from India. I grew up hearing stories about partition and made my first feature film Khamosh Pani based on these stories I had heard. Most of my films are personal and political in nature, but I don't approach them in a journalistic, investigative manner. As a woman, I'm looking for my own place in Pakistani society. What kind of a model should Pakistan follow? My film Azmaish explores the religious, political and social fabric of two countries, India and Pakistan. It also looks at the lives of ordinary people in both these countries and how they are coping with religious extremism. I needed someone from India with me on this journey to get deeper into Indian society. And I turned to Kalki Keklan, who's also grappling with similar issues in India. But she believes firmly that India's diversity will pull it up and it can never go down the same route as Pakistan. Kalki and I travel through large and small cities, meet villagers, industrialists, political activists, and even some religious fundamentalists.
We only understand our two countries together in conflict. We only understand how the media has portrayed it with a lot of violence. We really don't know what else there is.
For both Kalki and I, some experiences on this journey were eye-openers. In one scene in Pakistan, we threw together fashion models amidst truckwalas and boom, we had a powerful scene that tells you about how female models are viewed through the lens of entrenched patriarchy. And similarly in India, we show the fight against love jihad by religious extremists.
Hare Krishna! Hare Krishna! Hare Krishna!
We want you to become a part of this historic film by contributing anything you can to our crowdfunding campaign. We need 20 lakhs for the post-production, editing, sound edit and mix. You can use any mode of funding, debit, credit cards, net banking, or even opt for a cash pickup. If we are unable to raise our target amount, your money will be returned to you.
I really hope that all of you can contribute and take this journey with us, because this is a journey that I don't think has been done before.
You should back this film, because this film, like none other, draws attention to the Siamese twins that India and Pakistan are. This film goes beyond political rhetoric and is the true story of the subcontinent. This film is about you and me and about all of us living in the subcontinent. It will help us ask ourselves, what kind of society do we want to live in? What kind of freedom do we want? In the end, the film has left me with trepidation. I want us Pakistanis and Indians to think about the consequences of our decisions today. Can Pakistan learn from India? Can India learn from Pakistan?